Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. A big warm welcome if you are new. Say hi in the comments, and if you're returning, thank you so much for tuning in again. Today I have some Christmas and winter DIYs. They're going to be magical and I just hope you enjoy. So I'm starting off with this glass bowl. And we're going to be making a winter scene, like a terrarium inside here. So as you can see, I've got some moss, which I just collected from my garden. And there's lots of different types of moss. You can see here, 2 different types already, but I have a few more in my garden. I was going for these ones here. So this is a really quick DIY, super easy, affordable as well. I haven't paid for anything. So these are also good for decor, to make to sell. You can also gift these. So I've started off with a bit of soil in my bowl, and then you're going to grab your moss and place it inside. And then for your landscaping, you can take some rocks, pebbles, whatever you like, and just add that in to make it look a bit more interesting. And then we're also going to take some of these artificial little miniature trees, and you can remove the base by just screwing it off. And you can get different variations, colours and sizes. And I'm going to go with all green for my project, but I am going to be playing with different sizes. I might also add this one in, which I just need to cut off because I don't need this part of it. So I'm actually going to cut the wires off and we'll place it inside because I do need a bigger tree, and this is all I have. I'm also going to unscrew this. So I've just got the tree itself and I can plant it nicely in my terrarium. I'll go with a smaller one here. And another one about here. Now you can leave off as is, or you can add some snow, and I like to go in with this woodland phoenix, but you can use salt. It looks the same and it's a lot cheaper. I love capturing miniature scenes in terrariums, bowls, jars, that kind of thing. I think there's just something so whimsical and magical about it. And if you want to, you can always add miniature stags or polar bears, maybe humans, whatever you like. I decided to keep it plain. I think this would sell for so much, so I decided to go onto Etsy and see if anyone has made anything similar, and I found something and I just could not believe the price. £210, that's on sale right now, so that's just over $262. Now for the second project, I'm going to be using nature again. In case you haven't noticed, it is something I like to do in my projects. It's free and it looks beautiful. So I'm starting off with these thrifted teacups, and I'm using 3 as well as 2 saucers. I just think that layering it up makes it look more interesting. So this is again really quick and easy. You're going to take some moss, and this one I've dried out. And I'm just lining the cup first with some of this. We're going to add 2 slices of oranges on the side. Again, just layered on top of each other. And then I'm taking a pine cone to add onto the oranges. And at the back here, I'm going to add some greenery. So I've just taken some small snippets of an evergreen. And I'm going to place some at the back. And just as I'm doing that, I wanted to let you all know that this video is part of a Christmas collaboration, so there's more ideas for you to enjoy in a playlist. Make sure you check it out, it will be pinned in my comments. Then we're taking another orange slice to place in the middle here, and just a little upright. This is going to add some colour to the piece. And then I'm taking some more pine cones and I'm going to leave them on here. I have actually trimmed it to size because it was a bit big before. So I'm taking this cluster and I'm going to add it onto the arrangement. And you can add a touch of hot glue to secure things in place if you feel you need to. I'm taking some dried baby's breath from a bouquet that I saved, and I'm going to place that inside think I'm going to add another bit here on the side of the cup. And you can go at different heights as well, so I'm going to have this one sitting lower. And then adding a touch of colour again with these berries. They were on wire. Here's the wires. I've just taken them off, but the wire is actually good to place through the moss. But I'm going to use hot glue just to secure these on. And then for some I'm just taking the heads off and kind of sprinkling it on. The one that got lost down there. I'm finishing up by decorating the saucer. I'm taking these 2 sticks, which are also covered in moss, and placing them on the side. And then I have these 2 gold leaves. These were from a bouquet, but they were just spray painted and dried. I think that really just brings it to life. And I wanted to cover some of this saucer, so this is perfect. I really love how this turned out. It's very cottagecore, which is one of my favourite styles. I love decorating in everything natural. I think all of this just comes together wonderfully. I love the colours as well as the smells. I think this would look incredible on a Christmas table, and it also makes a really nice handmade gift. For the next project, again, really nice and easy, very quick to put together. Take a lantern. This is the one that I'm going to use. I like that it looks like a house. And we're going to start off with some fake snow on the base. Then you can go ahead and put your miniatures in. I'm going to take this tree and place it inside. Then I'm taking the magical lamppost and I'm adding that next to the tree at the back. I've just moved the camera a little bit so you can see inside. It was a bit hard. And then I'm taking this car with a tree on top. I'm going to place that on the side. We're going to place some fairy lights in, and I'm using these bottle ones. I've added a foam pad just to stick it onto the top, so it's not going to be seen and I can still access the on and off as well as the battery because I've placed the foam pad on the other side. I'm also taking some baubles. These are in like a medium size. I have the smaller ones as well, but I think I'm going to go with these. And I'm going to use 3, the glittery, the matte and the shiny, and I'm going to attach them using what they come with, just with some hot glue onto the roof. I'm going to hang them at different lengths, so some like this and some will be shorter, and that's just again to keep it interesting. We'll start with the shiny one first. Just adding hot glue and then sticking it to the top. Now I've got my fairy lights in and my baubles. To finish off, I'm taking a bow. I was debating between these 2. The red just goes, but this also breaks it up a little. This was a bit too big, so in the end I'm going to go with the red one. And I'm going to hot glue that right at the top. And I think that's going to finish it wonderfully. I usually really like white and neutral colours. This is probably one of the rare projects I have actually gone with red, but I feel like it really suits it. Neutral colours just wouldn't have worked as well. It really just makes it scream joy, which is perfect for winter and Christmas and just to capture that magic. So that's all of today's projects. I hope that they have inspired you, and just to make you see you don't have to spend much to make some beautiful pieces of decor or handmade gifts. I hope that you can consider subscribing and leaving me a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out the playlist I mentioned. Thanks for watching. Bye.